and welcome back to Lisa's cabin. Today we're going to look at transfers, ceramic transfers or decals. I've wanted to use them for some time, so I've ordered some from a place called JT McMaster. Now they're based in the USA in Denver. These are really good instructions that are sent. I've got some birds, really beautiful. I've also got this really nice blue as well. As you can see, I've torn bits out because I've been experimenting first. So the instructions are very straightforward. You need to cut out the piece that you require. And then basically, as long as you put it onto clay that's leather hard, you can't go wrong. You just need a sponge and a little bit of water. You don't want to soak it because if you soak it, it's going to smudge the piece. So this is how they turned out. The green bird looks really nice. I probably could have done with a bit more decoration. I think it's a bit plain on the mug, but I'm generally pleased with it, and really pleased with the transfers that I was sent. I really like this one. I think this one's turned out really well, and notice that it's a much stronger blue, so I'm really pleased with this mug. When you're using transfers, this gets you to the third firing stage, and I fired these at 780 Celsius, and I think they turned out really well. So for my first experiment of using transfers, I think it's gone well. I think I didn't probably leave the rye paper ones on as long as I should have, so I'd probably leave them on now for about a minute or two before peeling back. But overall, I'm pleased with what I've done. I hope you found this short review helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.